ColorWorks C3500 is a versatile color label printer designed for businesses, including those in the food industry, to create custom labels. It's known for its high-quality and durable label printing capabilities. The Epson ColorWorks uses inkjet technology to produce vibrant and sharp color labels, which is essential for food products where visual appeal matters. This printer supports a variety of label sizes and types, making it suitable for labeling everything from product packaging to ingredient lists. Its user-friendly design and software make it easy to customize labels to meet specific food labeling requirements, including ingredients, allergens, barcodes, and branding. Epson exceed your vision